Hey guys, it is Linda Barr, your Denver North realtor, and I'm so excited. Even though it's only like 34 degrees outside, we are gonna go tour some Richmond American homes, and these babies are fully upgraded, done, ready to go. They actually have a whole list of amazing properties available to you right now. Guys, we are here with Richmond American Homes at their Seasons collection in Brighton, Colorado. See these two beauties right behind me? We are gonna go tour those right now, and you get to go with me, and we are gonna go see what they have available. And guess what? They are having so many incentives right now. We're gonna talk about that later. We're gonna jump right into options available and what is ready for you to move in right now. If you need to get in before the holiday, if you need to get in before the end of the year, they have options right now available to you. So let's get out of this cold and let's go check out these beautiful homes.